I am at ease in the arms of a woman, although now most of my days are spent alone. 1,000 miles from the place I was born. When she wakes me, she takes me back home. Now most days I spend like a child who's afraid, but it goes in the night. I know there ain't nothing out there, but I'm still afraid to turn